Okay guys, let's talk about a queue worker. Remember, we have already queued our mails, so it's not going to automatically send, but it's going to send behind the scenes. So how do we set that up with Forge? Now, if I take you to our queue.php, which is our config, you discover that there are a lot of configurations right here, and the one we want to use in production is beanstalk. Okay, just think of it as a worker that really wants to work on Linux, and it's going to actually run our queue rather than us doing PHP ascent queue work, stuff like that. Okay, so we're going to change our configuration in production to make sure that it uses beanstalk. Okay, so in your .env file, what you want to do is set up the queue. So if I take you to my .env file, you have a queue driver right here. You're going to change that to beanstalk, and Laravel is automatically going to keep your queue alive, and beanstalk is going to process your queue jobs behind the scenes. Okay, so for you to set up beanstalk, all you need to do is come here, look at the configurations, set up whatever you want, and you can run it as a daemon, so that's always going to be running behind the scenes, and then you can start a worker on this server. That's it. That's all we need to do. So that's it. It's starting the queue worker, and then we need to configure our application to use beanstalk. So we can leave this one for now, but in your environment right here for production, you need to change it to beanstalk. Okay, and then finally you need to install the beanstalk package for PHP. So Composer require this is going to install this package, and it's going to automatically register it in your composer.json. And when you're deploying to production, it's automatically going to install that package. Okay, so there we go, right there. Okay, so once you set that up in your environment to use beanstalk, you install this and you start your queue worker. That's all you need to do. If you had a million queues, they're gonna all be processed by this queue worker, and you can even start as many workers as you wish depending on your workload. Okay, so that's basically all you need to do. If you want to actually change this now, all you need to do is git add everything, git commit message, maybe install beanstalk package, and just push to master. And Laravel Forge is going to install the newly included package in the composer.json. So if we check out our app, view the deployment log, we can see that it installed beanstalk right here. Okay, so once we set up our queue driver, Laravel Forge is automatically gonna take care of that behind the scenes. We don't need to worry about it anymore. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you in the very next video.